My lover, are you? My lover, are you? Whenever you're ready, whenever you're ready, whenever you're ready, whenever you're ready, can we surrender? Can we surrender? I surrender. No one will win this time. I just want you back. I'm running to your side. Fly my white flag, my white flag. My lover, are you? My lover, are you? Whenever you're ready, whenever you're ready, whenever you're ready, whenever you're ready, can we surrender? Can we surrender? I surrender. I surrender.
Kuya, ikaw na naman. You again.
I love that song, bro. Anong song yan?
I surrender.
Yes. Yes, 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 yes.
I just done
I love that
singing
song.
it.
Ha?
I just done singing it.
Ah, sayang.
Yeah. Pero, at this time, ako muna maunang kumanta.
Yeah, sure, man. Sure.
Like ka na nauna eh. Baka yung
Oo nga
swerte
eh.
nandoon sa kanta.
Pwede. Sige, ikaw naman mauna this time. Ganda pa naman nun, sayang.
Sayang, no?
Gusto ko madinig. Miss Daisy!
Wait lang.
Spencer, everyone, guys. Gonna bless us with his voice.
Pili mo na ako ng song, yeah. Wait
Sige lang to. Pili ka muna, men.
Okay, meron na.
Okay, ang bilis. Wow, speed. Okay, let's do it, bro.
I could stay away just to hear you breathing. Watch your smile while you were sleeping, away, far away, and dreaming. I could spend my life in this sweet surrender. I could stay lost in this moment forever. And every moment spent with you is a moment of treasure. I don't wanna close my eyes, I don't wanna fall asleep, 'cause I miss you, babe. And I don't wanna miss a thing, 'cause even when I dream of you, the sweetest river never to us, I miss you, babe. And I don't wanna miss a thing. 'Cause close to you, feeling your heart beating. And I'm wondering why you're dreaming, wondering if it's me you see. Then I kiss your eyes, and then got we're together. And I just wanna stay with you in this moment forever, forever and ever. I don't wanna close my eyes, I don't wanna fall asleep, 'cause I miss you, baby. And I don't wanna miss a thing, 'cause even when I dream of you, the sweetest dream I'll ever do was to miss you, babe. And I don't wanna miss a thing. I don't wanna miss one smile, I don't wanna miss one kiss, but I just wanna be with you, right here with you, just like this. I just wanna hold you close, be once close to mine, and just stay in this moment for all the rest of time. Yeah. Don't wanna close my eyes, don't wanna fall asleep, 'cause I miss you, babe. And I don't wanna miss a thing, 'cause even when I dream of you, the sweetest dream I'll never do was to miss you, babe. And I don't wanna miss a thing, not alone. And I miss you, babe, and I don't wanna miss a thing. Never do was to miss you, baby. And I don't wanna miss a thing. I don't wanna waste a
Damn, bro. Ganda nung song. Palakpak. Ay, hindi. Wag yan. Thank you, Cha! Thank you, guys. Salamat, guys. Okay. Ganda ng version mo, bro. Solid.
Okay ba?
Rosie, thank you, fam. Ano naman, natapusin na muna natin tong PK. OMG, guys. Thank you, guys. Wow! Let's go!
Wala effects
Salamat,
nun yan?
fam. Ha?
Yung wow?
Ha?
Wala effects nun? Yung wow?
Wala eh. Maginto lang, oh. Yan. Makangas na effect na yun eh. Thank you, guys. Humble beginnings lang. Let's go, Cha! Salamat, guys.
Humble beginnings.
Salamat, Rosie. Humble beginnings.
Thank you.
Humble beginnings lang. Ano pa? Pwede natin kantayin. Sige, mag-1 na lang ako. Sapa, bro?
Game na. Kakanta ka pa, diba?
Game. Ay, oo nga pala, no? Wait. Sorry, tol. Sorry. Oh. Okay. Ako nang bahala sa harana, guys. I love this song. This is Moving Closer by Never the Strangers. Alam mo yung feeling na Alam mo yung feeling mo, close na kayo. Tuyo. Wait lang tol kinakapa ko lang.
Take your time.
Okay, let's do it. This is moving closer guys. Sana mag-show nyo to. Kung meron ako nililigawan ngayon, kantahin ko to sa'yo pag ako nainis Ganda tong song na to guys. When you smile, everything's in place. I've waited so long, can make no mistakes. All I am, reaching out to you. I can't be scared, gotta make a move. While we're young, come away with me. Keep me close and don't let go. Inch by inch, we're moving closer. Feels like a fairy tale ending. Take my heart, this is the moment. I'm moving closer to you. I'm moving closer. I'm moving closer. I'm moving closer to you. Thank you guys. Who'd have thought that I breathe the air, spinning round your atmosphere. I hold my breath, falling into you. Break my fall and don't let go. Inch by inch, we're moving closer. Feels like a fairy tale. And then take my heart, this is the moment. I'm moving closer to you. I'm moving closer. I'm moving closer. I'm moving closer to you. Bass, let's go. Inch by inch, we're moving closer. Feels like a fairy tale. And then take my heart, this is the moment. I'm moving closer to you. I'm moving closer to you. Let's go. Thank you guys. Alam mo yun?
Ngayon ka lang narinig yan.
Ang ganda ng song na yun. Dati yun sa commercial ng Colgate. Sobrang ganda.
Naririnig ko nga.
Alam mo yung kilala mo si SB19? Ito, di pa tapos eh. Wait lang. Si SB19. Thank you, Juwaizel.
Ano doon? Madami sila.
Wait, paparinig ko sa'yo. Ang ganda ng version niya. Parinig ko sa'yo. Feeling ko bagay din sa'yo to actually. Like, parang feeling ko kaya mo siyang gawan ng version mo. Ito. Josh ba? Philip something? Philip? When you smile. Let's go. Oy.
When you smile,
1-1.
everything's
Wait, thank you so much, Jumaisel. Thank you, guys.
can be no mistake.
Kabawi din.
All I
Nakabawid. Huy, ang tagal mo akong binugbog ah. Pakinggan mo.
No.
I can't be scared.
Ito yun.
Gotta make a move. While we're young, come away with me. Keep me close and don't let go.
Yung
Inch by inch, we're moving closer. Feels like a fairy tale.
Saya. Tenji, thank you ah. Salamat guys sa mga MVPs.
kantahin ko yan next time. Yeah,
Sige,
thank
sige.
you ah.
Salamat ya. Thank you ya. Salamat ya.
Yan ang yo.
Spence. Ginagaya lang kita, boy.
Ilan taon ka na yan?
28. Pal. 28.
Oh,
Ikaw?
yaya ka pa dyan.
Ilan taon ka na, men?
26.
Oh, nice.
Di lang.
Ayaw mo, tanong kita, bro. Ayaw mo mag-join ng mga, like, I feel like, pwede ka sa TNT, ganyan. Alam mo yun? Na-try mo namang, di mo pa natatry ever. Like,
Ang
any
layo.
singing contest. Oo nga eh. Pa-age reveal ako kay Brody. Paano malayo? Like, yung pag-auditionan?
Hindi. Malayo na makakanta ko sa mga ganyan. I'm not good.
Bro, pwede ka talaga, bro. Promise. As in, like, try mo lang. The Voice, Idol PH, TNT. Feeling ko. Or, wait, may kakilala ako, bro. Kung gusto mo lang, yung sa TikTok lang, pasok ka, Matik. Kakilala ko yun nandun. Kung gusto mo lang.
Ba't di lang ikaw?
Ha?
Ba't
Sumali
di lang
na ako
ikaw?
eh. Sumali na ako, bro.
Nanalo ka na?
May ibang sa akin, parang yung portion na yun is parang it's called Boy Romantico. So parang nanghaharana kami, ganun. Kasi pangharanahan lang ako eh. Ikaw feeling ko pwede ka dun sa totoo lang. Feeling ko.
Yeah, pwede
Kung gusto mo lang
din ako.
Di ka pangharana min, like pwede ka talaga pangbakbakan ka talaga. Rosie, maraming salamat. No worries, Rosie. It's okay, Rosie. Love you, Rosie. Mwah. Salamat,
Yeah.
guys.
Narinig mo tong song na to?
Sige.
Ayan mo.
Laying in the silence, waiting for the sirens, signs and signs. I'm alive still. I don't wanna lose it, but I'm not getting through this. Hey, should I pray? To myself, to a God, to a Savior. Yeah. I'm right or broken. I said it's focus was about me to hopeless. Pull me out, tread right by the ashes. I tried the rushes, not ready to die at the end. Pull me out, tread right, pull me out.
Wow. Di ko alam yung song, pero parang familiar siya sa akin.
Ayan.
Pwede na yun, oh. Pang-audition na yun, oh.
Iyo!
Auto pasok, promise, bro. Sinasabi ko sa'yo.
Auto pasok. Auto.
Hindi nga. Seryoso nga ako, tol. Seryoso ako, bro. Like, I mean, marunong ako mag-appreciate ng talent talaga ng iba. So, feeling ko talaga, man. Try mo lang. Diba?
Yeah. Tatry ko sa panaginip ko. But for now,
Talaga
please,
to.
everybody, papalo si Kuya Dom Real. Utang na loob.
Yeah, same goes with my friends, guys. Please follow Spencer. Super talented din as well. So, ayun. Tol, 1-1.
As you can hear. Yeah. Next time na lang, ha?
Next time.
Thank you.
Salamat. Ingat,
Have a good day.
You too.
Show yourself only to people